This is the other side of the street. What is this here? I hope that when people, like, I say things, I hope they're not thinking that I'm saying that to them. I'm just broadcasting my thoughts. And also, I don't know if the audio quality is going to be any good, but we'll see. Cool bike. Ducati. So here they have, I think on the other side they have a single row of stars. Okay, so the stars are not going to run out. They're just going to keep making the other blocks into stars. Because over there they just have a single row of stars, but here they have 2 stars. So that means they can just add a star. Whenever they run out, they just add another star. So as people, I guess, keep moving on, this is like people's grave. I shouldn't say gravestones, but it's a way to leave your mark. So we'll see if we can leave one of those. That'll be interesting. Nobody pushed the button. The button doesn't really do anything. It's more of a psychological thing to make you feel like you did something while you're waiting. That's what that is. But really, it's just a way to waste time by pushing that button. Either way, the light's going to change. It's already been pre-programmed, I think. I'm not going to say anything negative or positive about this place, but I had an experience with it. Alright, I guess this side's a lot more crowded than the other side. Makes sense because people are coming in and out of the movie theater. So if you want to go to the movie theater, whoop! I shouldn't be riding my bike over here. Oh, it's my fault, miss. You're okay. And if you want to take a picture with Mickey Mouse, there he is. Chinese theater. They're supposed to have really good sound, I guess. At least that's the marketing side of it. That's what they're using, is they're telling you that it's really loud to charge you a lot more, which is a nice business strategy. Oh, yeah, okay. Just talking to myself here. Sorry.
I don't know about
Thank you.
Let
me sign.
There you go. Hang around these people here. If you want to get your sculpture, you have some artists, which is nice. Handmade items. That's nice. Here's the other. This is when we were talking about that other video, the hard rock. So apparently these are really popular, so they have a few people doing them. So you can tell their thing's popularity by that. If you want to take the TM's tour, like you see on the TV, there it is. They have the nicer buses, I'm not gonna lie. It's Captain. Here's another bus you can take if you're a tourist. City sightseeing LA, maybe you can rent the whole bus. Take your friends on that on the top of the roof. That'd be cool. Again, here's the newscast with all their technology when I'm here with my GoPro. Just kind of, that's gonna evolve soon, that business. Well, I think it already is. I'm technically the like a way to transfer information.